Bang!
I will pee.
Oh, come on.
I don't have a lighter. I have this present.
Hey, Dan.
What's up, buddy?
No, I light it. Oh, is it upside down?
I didn't know I was going to do that.
You did. Uh-oh.
I pull it out.
Oh.
You're not even lighting it. You're right now.
Well, there was like a little thing.
Hey, baby.
Oh.
Here, he's just a little green thing. Check it out.
Hi, Christian.
Hi, Mike.
How you doing?
Good.
Are you having fun?
Run!
Watch out for Mom! I didn't run.
Yeah.
That was the mystery geyser and it should
You see a little inset, Mike?
Got it in.
Tap him. Uh-oh.
Where'd it go?
Oh, sorry.
Yeah! Oh, it ain't over.
Oh, Christian's gonna lose it.
Yeah.
Still got one down there.
Come watch, Monk.
What's it gonna do? He's getting some rain for mine.
Mm-hmm. Hey, Dan, did anybody get these little witchy things down?
My dad wants to get. Dad, Mommy, Daddy, she got do.
Oh, no, bitch. The whole block.
It always goes to his.
That one was fast. That one was fast.
I'm getting quicker.